Now I am going to discuss another way to install Google Analytics at your website. That is a Google Tag Manager. So we need, if we want to add Google Tag Manager also at website, so we just need to install Google Analytics in one time. Never add Google Analytics code two times. First one like is I added that code in direct header tags, and second one is through Google Tag Manager. If we added code direct to WordPress, this so we not need to install analytics at Google Tag Manager, but Google Tag Manager is the best way to install. So I am going to remove this code from WordPress website, save it, and now I am creating Google Tag Manager account. Create account. Website name is and copy this website name. Tools and your country. This is the container name. You can name that container any name. So I am going to so we are installing that code to website, so we need to select web, create, accept agreements, and just yes. So our Google Tag Manager account is created. For Tag Manager installation at website, we need to add two codes to add at WordPress website. And for Wix, we just need to add this tracking ID. So we are using WordPress, and our website is a WooCommerce website. So we not need to add this tracking codes at our WordPress website. I am going to install plugin for WooCommerce tracking conversions. Go to plugins. Plugin means that is a tag manager. Actually, by this tag manager plugin, we also enable our data layer values. We can by this plugin we can track our orders, we can track add to carts events and checkout events. So we just need to install this plugin, activate it. The plugin is installed, and to start using Tag Manager, WordPress, please enter GTM ID. This is the GTM ID, and we need to copy this ID and paste in plugin. I recommend to enable the second one option, that is a custom needs tweak in your template. Now go to integration, and we need to track lead forms and contact form. We just need to enable this. And now for WooCommerce, we need to enable track enhanced e-commerce transactions, and this is for category path and cart content in that data layer, and order data is data layer. This is the most important for tracking orders. So save these settings. And after installing plugin, so I already told you that clear cache. So I removed analytics code from WordPress website, and I installed Google Tag Manager ID through WordPress plugin. So now I will check that Google Tag Manager is installed at WordPress website correctly or not. That we can check by this. It's mean Google Tag Manager is installed at WordPress website, but this is the yellow color. Yellow colors mean your response code indicates tag failed to fire, or this could be due to an empty and unpublished container. So we just create Google Tag Manager account and we installed at WordPress, and we not have any data at Tag Manager. So our Google Tag Manager is empty. That's why it's showing a yellow error, and this is the error for installing Google Tag Manager. In yellow color and red color, Google Tag Manager and Analytics not working, not tracking any data. So now I will add Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager at website. We just need to create a tag for analytics. Create a new tag and click here and select Google Analytics Universal Analytics. I select this and go to Analytics, Settings, Tracking Info, Tracking Code. Just copy this Analytics ID and select this Analytics, writing name for Google Analytics. This is the tag name, general tag. Now I am installing Analytics with Google Tag Manager. Page view mean this work at all your pages. And now select this variable. I copy that analytics code and paste here and save now. You can name here anything. I created analytics tag. Now we need to add trigger. Trigger means is a conditions where tag is working. So I select all pages. We need to work this tag in all pages of website. Just save the settings, and after save we need to publish this container. So we added analytics code in Tag Manager. Now we'll check is analytics and Tag Manager both are working at our WordPress website or not. Just reload WordPress website and check at Tag Assistant. Yes, no. Now it's showing Google Analytics and Tag Manager are installed at WordPress website successfully, and now Google Analytics also tracking. Now we'll check, go to home. It's mean an user. This mean analytics working correctly. Go to real. Yes. Okay. So if we want to check Google Tag Manager tags are firing correctly or not, for that we need to click this preview mode. Now reload WordPress website. Due to preview mode, this Google Tag Manager dashboard is showing here. I just reload WordPress website and this tag is fired. This means this tag is working correctly.